Nasi lemak.
Oh, senangnya dia jawab. Is there a why? Do we need to ask a why ke benda tu macam sangat
Tak tahulah, tapi memang fikir nasi lemak dan nasi lemak dekat rumah saya dulu itu nasi lemak restoran mana lagi. It's very it's random, tapi siapa pergi Johor kan tahulah restoran tu.
Okay. Is nasi lemak bungkus?
Tak, dia bukan yang kecil, yang apa 50 sen RM1 tu. Yang tu buka, tapi I remember siapa kat Johor kan tahu namanya restoran mana lagi, tapi dia punya ayamnya panas-panas lagi, bau boleh berluar. Dia buka hanya pukul 7, pukul 6, pukul 7 malam. It will be packed and I enjoy the experience. Itu childhood memory.
Betul lah, nak makan nasi lemak mana lagi kalau bukan dekat restoran mana lagi.
Betul.
I think the owner of that restaurant dengan I ada banyak in common lah. Kita suka dad jokes. Second question, this is a really hard one.
Sure.
What would your plan be to survive a zombie apocalypse?
I've actually thought about this before. You know?
Okay,
I was thinking many different things. Okay.
Give us your top strategy.